Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do a Demon Slayer collab salmon session. It's just a small salmon session. I think I have around 400 scrolls and yeah, I'm gonna try to get some Demon Slayer collab units. Let's go. So for good luck, let's try to get El Sharion and Fami in hopes that we get limited LD 4 star or 5 star. Do I have enough for Fami? Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Wish me luck, guys. Where's Elsharion? There you go. So, I turn on the purple animation. That way, we can easily tell if we got a 5 star or a 4 star. White for 4 star and purple for 5 star. Then, Fami. Where's Fami? Fami. Let's go. Alright. So now I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna turn on the rate up and pull six solo pulls just so it's divisible by 10. Lightning. Okay. Not so lucky so far. Then I'm gonna start with the elemental scrolls first. Let's go. No lightning. Skip. Okay. Then fire. Lightning. Let's go. 4 star. Dryad. Dryad. I don't know. Okay, we got our first collab unit. Our actual first collab unit. Let's go, 5 star. That's early. We're like how many? 36 pulls or summons in and we got the 5 star. I don't know if this is useful though. Defense. And decrease the duration of harmful effect on you by 1 turn. Does not fall below 1 turn. Okay. Attacks on enemy according to your HP. So his one of his skill is HP scaling. Okay, interesting unit. Then wind scrolls. Let's go another collab unit. Okay, wind Inosuke. Crit rate. Increase your attack power for 2 turns and attacks the enemy 5 times. Oh, anti-reviver. Okay, attacks all enemy. So it's the same as the fire one. The second skill is HP scaling. Okay, now let's do mystical scrolls. Wish me luck. Nothing. Skip. Okay, another collab unit. Let's go. Oh, in Nezuko. I think she's like whatchamacallit this? Replacement for Dova. I have Dova though. Yeah, fills up the attack bar of ally target and increases its attack power and defense for 2 turns. So she's like a Dova. I like her though. I think she's useful. That's good. Let's go back to back. Okay, Water Tanjiro. So far we got uh 3 out of 4 characters. Okay, 4 star. Cyborg. Okay, nothing. Let's go. Okay, okay. Zenitsu. So I think we've gotten our 4 characters of 4 star units. So that's good. I think there's only four 4 star. One of it for each character. Then LD ones are uh, a different story. Let's go. Okay, it's a dupe, Tanjiro Water. Okay, skip. Okay, okay, 5 star, please. Okay, it's a dupe. Win Nezuko. So far we've gotten one 5 star collab unit, Demon Slayer unit, and no regular 5 stars. Skip. Okay, okay. 4 star. Fire Death Knight. Skip. Skip. Okay, skip. 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 Okay, okay. 4 star. It's a fire pirate captain. Okay, another 4 star. Okay, Clara. Skip. Skip. Okay, collab unit. Let's go. Okay, it's a dupe. It's a win. Inosuke. A cyborg and a fire horse. Okay, 4 star. He is Stone Agent. Okay, okay. Huh. Oh, a star. Okay. Skip. Okay, we got a 5 star on regular 5 star. Oh, it's new. Magic Order Enchantress Fire. So she steals one beneficial effect and spreads harmful effects on the enemies. Attacks the enemy to grant Oblivion. Oh, that's kinda useful, Oblivion. And stuns them with 30% chance. And then silence skill 1. It's kinda interesting unit. Okay, collab unit. Let's go. 5 star. No, it's a 4 star. Okay, back to back collab unit. Oh, oh, we've gotten 3 collab unit in one pool. I mean in 110 pool. Okay, okay. Okay, collab unit. 5-star please. No, it's a 4-star. So, 80 scrolls left. Nothing. Okay, okay. 4-star. It's who's this guy again? Covenant, yeah. Covenant. Skip. Last 30. Skip. Nothing. Okay. For the last 10, we got collab unit. Oh, it's a 4-star. So we've just gotten one. Actually, the other one is also a collab unit, but it's the uh, regular version. But we've only gotten one 5-star uh, Demon Slayer unit. So next, I think I'm gonna do LD last. So I'm gonna do Legendary Scrolls first. Okay, 5-star. Good, great start. What's this? Oh, Praha. It's this Praha, right? Praha. I don't have her, so that's kinda good. So she's a stripper. Okay. I'm gonna skip the 4-star since this is a legendary scroll. Oh, that's Boomerang Warrior. Okay, collab unit. Let's go. Oh, it's a 4-star. I'm gonna do this next. All attribute scrolls. Let's go. LD. No, I think it's a win one. It's a fire. Oh, never mind. Skip. Oh, I shouldn't skip this because we could get LD 4-star. So I'm not gonna skip. Who's this? Okay, yeah. 5-star, let's go. Who's this? It's a dupe. I have Geo already, which is kinda good. So in some ways, I'm trying to save up for this blessings. So when I summon this next times, I have blessings. So I'm gonna do the Demon Slayer scrolls, second to the last, and last one will be the LD scrolls. Let's go. 5-star, please. Is this light? No, it's wind. Light is a 5-star, yeah. Okay. It's a wind, Nezuko. Last one. Give me Dark na gusto ko. Oh, it's fire, I think. So we didn't get any 5-star on our three Demon Slayer scroll. So let's do the LD pieces and scrolls now. This would be the last Because I'm gonna save my Transcendent Scrolls for next time. Okay, let's go. Skip. At least one lightning, right? Because we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pulls or summons. No lightning so far. Harpoon. There. It's so dry, no lightning. Okay, Dark Demon. Okay, so we didn't get any even 4-star LD. So I guess that's kind of fair because I did summon session last January 1, New Year's Day, and I've gotten two LD5s, Growa and Benedict. So yeah, I guess that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. So I'm kind of happy that at least we've gotten one collab 5-star. So we've gotten one collab 5-star and one regular collab 5-star, one new, and one dupe. Then I think we've gotten all of the 4-star collab unit with normal elements, so that's kinda good, I guess. So, which is the other one? I don't know uh, what element is the other unit. I guess this. Oh no. Huh. Oh, this one. So, 4-star and one 5-star collab unit, Demon Slayer unit. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna end the stream here. See ya next time. Bye.